It's snowing. A lot. They're big snowflakes. They're not really flakes. They're more like mini snowballs. You can see the size of them. They're huge. Okay, yes, Nathan's first snow. I'm going to put him in the snow for a minute and see what he does. What do you think, Nathan? Yeah, that's good, huh? You like that? Okay. I want to take you out. You like the snow?
Oh my God, honey! Come into his face! My God, this is pouring. Like a flower pouring on us. The flower's pouring on us. Oh.